Okay, I'm going to show you how to mix mortar by hand in a bucket. So we've got all the materials here. We've got the sand, we've got cement, we've got the plasticiser, clean water, and a bucket to mix it in. So we're going to start with sand. Looking at getting 4 scoops of sand. Make sure your scoops are the same size. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your cement is the same size as well, like that. And this is a 4-to-1 mix. Obviously there's lots of different mixes to use, but the general mix is 4-to-1. So what we want to do then is mix it round so the cement is covering all the sand particles. So you want to keep mixing until you can see no cement in it and it's all blended into one colour basically. So you want to just keep pulling it from the middle and turn it. And make sure you're getting right to the bottom of the bucket because there'll be bits in the bottom that you miss. Keep going round. Okay, I'm happy that's mixed enough for us to put some plasticiser and water in. The reason we didn't start with water is because it's such a small mix. If you put the water in first, you could put too much in, ends up being too wet. So we're going to put a bit of water and a bit of plasticiser in now. Obviously how much water will depend on what consistency you want. And with the plasticiser, we literally want a teaspoonful. No more than that because it's such a small mix. Too much plasticiser puts too much air in it and you'll end up with a weaker mix. So just a teaspoonful we'll put in there. Always read the back of these to say how much they say you should put in because it does vary from brand to brand. So again, we can just mix around. You'll start to see it come together now. You can put a bit more water with that. You'll watch you don't put too much in because it'll be too wet and you'll have to wait for it to dry out, which could be a while. Okay, so keep on mixing until you're happy with the consistency of what you need. Okay, so we're nearly there, just a bit more water. Just see it coming together now. That's quite a stiff mix there, but that'll be good for filling holes, etc. Or maybe a bit of pumpkin. We'll just show you what that's like now with a bit more water. Nice consistency there now. You know, that'll be ideal for laying blocks or anything like that. And there we have it.